Assam Rifles para Axis Bank, India laga third dangor private sector bank, our Educational Development Organization NIEDO, logote milikina Patkai 30 Center of Excellence and Wellness, Jarampur te Arunachal Pradesh laga underprivileged students khan ke alag competitive entrance exam India laga premier engineering institution aro alag streams itu oporte National Testing Agency IISER laga BS/MS dual degree NISER ICAR IIPR CDRI aro CDRC khan nishna alag exam te modod kuribole MoU sign kurishi. Itu projecto Arunachal Pradesh the first of its kind ase aro northeast de Assam Rifles laga third of its kind ase koishe kintu Arunachal de nokora agete bi Nagaland aro Manipur de bi similar initiative loikina aishe koishe. MoU signing ceremony to Jarampur 19 Assam Rifles laga headquarter garrison te loishe aro itu ceremony to chief guest Major General Vikas Lakhera, Sena Medal Inspector General Assam Rifles North, Brigadier Swaran Singh, VSM Commander 25 Sector Assam Rifles Mr. Jabir Hussain Rahim, Vice President Corporate Head Axis Bank Dr. Rohit Srivastava, Managing Trustee and CEO NIEDO, our Arunachal Pradesh Government laga alag Senior Representative Assam Rifle Axis Bank our NIEDO laga presence se loishe koishe.